Well, there's all sorts of scary animals like bears and snakes and lions. And donkeys and pachyderms don't usually come to mind. But I'm warning you, America, you best put up your guard, because there's a travesty occurring right in our own backyard. Now they're elected by the people to serve and do their best, but it always seems the people is the first thing they forget. They're puppets of the lobbyists and all them dirty tricks. If we could get some term limits, it might help to get it fixed. They've got committees on committees and more meetings just for that. How can you trim a budget when all there is fat? They protect their careers, hide their agendas from the masses, and we've all been duped by elephants and asses. Well, I may not be an analyst that claims to know it all,